the friendly former BR signalman and the oldest 87-year-old. There's the friendly 79-year-old, former BR signalman, almost friendly 80-year-old, and the oldest 87-year-old. He is the best. And I really like him. Be careful with that clasher, but that was really fun actually. All good to go. Off he goes. Oh no. There's the Pullman Class 73 miniature electrical locomotive. And there's the friendly 79-year-old former BR signalman featured in as always. This one's going to be 80. Hello. Hello. Oh. The friendly former BR signalman pulling out. There's the oldest volunteer and the second eldest, the friendly former BR signalman.
Stay here, I will just take a picture. Let's go.
Nice. There's the friendly 79-year-old former BR signalman and the Pullman Class 73. Featured in my videos as always. He's stuck. The friendly 79-year-old former BR signalman. There's the friendly 79-year-old former BR signalman who we always feature. Oh no.